Welcome to my new art channel, KH Tutorials. I've actually been making videos for quite a long time on my Harry's Happenings video blog on YouTube, and some of my paintings I have actually filmed, but I've not filmed many. But from now I'm going to be starting to film a lot more, so I can show you basically how I paint and we can share the experience together. So I think if you like art and you like to know how to paint, this is my little studio. A little bit messy, as you might expect, but I paint in oils and acrylics, and I do landscapes, impression, abstracts, whatever takes my fancy. I don't stick to just one type of subject. So if you're interested in that, please help me build my channel and subscribe. If you like any of my paintings or my tutorials, please give me a like and thumbs up, and any comments are really good, because if we're all artists and we appreciate art, then it's really just good to share information and comments. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my content. So I'll be making a lot of videos in this year and trying to grow this channel to be as big as my other one, but this is going to be just dedicated for painting. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoy all my content in 2025 onwards. Thank you.